And special thanks to our friends at this company who were nice enough to send us this 50 pack of pre-rolled cones. These are natural, unredefined rolling papers. They're 1 1/4 side, natural Arabic gum, ultra thin vegan paper, burns nice and evenly. And inside of this sealed container, nice little protection on top here, is 50 cones. So if we take one out, you can see these are the slightly smaller cones, the 1 1/4 size. Got the company logo there. Nice purple look to them. Absolutely no complaints with that. And you'll get 50 of these in here, so they should last you for a while. And one of the good additions of this package is it includes a packing spoon. So with this, you're able to take your tobacco, scoop it up, put it into the pre-rolled cone, and then of course use this to pack down the cone so that it makes it better for smoking. Absolutely love that they include this with the 50 cones, and it's actually pretty nice. It's not made out of plastic or anything. It's made out of like a nice metal. So thanks again to my friends at this company who are nice enough to send us this 50 pack of 1 1/4 size purple pre-rolled cones with golden packing spoon. Thank you all for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Deuces.